Number 1, outlaw high-flow air cleaner systems.
That the colder the air is, the better. You can't have too cold of air going into the intake. The colder the air is, the better. So anything you can do to reduce the temperature of the air going into the engine through the air cleaner, the better.
Number 2, external breather systems.
Let's look at what bikes look like that have been vented externally. Now this guy boasted in a Facebook comment thread, find me another intake that looks like this with 50,000 miles on it. Now this bike has been vented externally. Look how clean this is. It's clean enough to eat off of. Look at these pistons on these high mileage bikes that have been vented externally. Again, clean enough to eat off of.
Number 3, Thunder Torque inserts.
These little puppies that give you the most power increase per dollar spent of any mod that you can do to your Harley. When you order these, you can order just one Thunder Torque insert if you have 2-into-1 pipes, or you can order a pair of them if you have 2 slip-on mufflers.
Number 4, tank lift kits.
And so by lifting the tank up, that heat is no longer trapped. And very importantly, the curve of the tank is lifted up, and so when the air hits the front part of the tank that protrudes the most, with the tank lift, that air is now pushed down to flow over the engine and cool it off.
Number 5, cooling deflector wings.
This is a cooling deflector wing right here. One is to direct the air over the engine so that the engine gets more airflow and runs cooler. The other is so that the air that would normally be coming over the top, hitting you in the chest, buffeting your sunglasses or helmet, is reduced.